Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are gonna see unboxing of Smartwatch V8. It is red color and it is 5000 rupees. So link in description. If you want you can buy this watch. So let's unbox this. Wow, look at the watch guys. So this is a watch and inside we are having a micro USB charger and manual. So let's see the watch. So guys, the watch is very nice guys, really guys. Look at the straps quality, it's very nice. Build quality is very nice and red color is my favorite color. So here we are having camera also guys. So this is power button and this is back button. So here sound will come from here and the microphone is here and charging is here. We should open this like this. So like this you have to open and charge it. So let's on it. So now it's connecting to Bluetooth. It will not connect actually. It will show connecting but it will not connect to any phone. Yeah, I said you know. So here we are having dialer, messaging, phone book, call logs, everything. And here remote control. Remote control means not remote control car. It's remote control message. And Bluetooth we are having settings. In settings there are many, and here QR code is very nice guys. Look at the design. And here we are having image viewer, camera, remote control photo and audio. So let's see image viewer. What all image? Wow, this one I transfer from my phone. So this is camera. Guys, camera is very nice guys. Look at the quality. And audio. So look at this. Hear this guys. How is the audio? So guys, this is the audio guys, and here we are having okay, this is finished, and here we are having sound record. Sound record means we can record anything like this. If we press this red button it will automatically record, and if we press this one then it will stop, it will save it. And so let's come out. Here we are having calculator. 5 plus 6 equals, okay, 6 equals 11. Okay, so this is very nice. And alarm we are having, calendar and finish. So here we are having steps calculator, sleep monitor, sedentary reminder and stopwatch. And here we are having power saving mode. So I have on the power saving mode. If I turned it off then the brightness will be more. So I'll on the saver power mode. So anti-lost is there. And file manager, here memory card. So I have inserted memory card. You can insert SIM also. So this is world clock. And here we are having WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, browser. It will work if you are connected to internet, if your watch is connected to internet, not you. And SIM tooklet. Then finish guys. So hope you all liked my video. If you like my video then please like and share this video to everyone. And if you want to buy this product, the description, there is a link in description also and in the comment section also. So make sure you all checked it. There are white color, black color. I don't know about red color. It is finished, I think so. So bye bye everyone. Thank you for seeing this video.